Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to fix the issue in Microsoft Word where you're trying to create a bulleted or numbered list and will only add the bullet or number to the first line in your list here. Alright, so we have this list here on how to install a printer in Windows. So let's say we want to make it bulleted, for example. You can see it only does the first one there. Same if we do a number rather than adding the number or bullet to every line in the list. Alright, so this happens when you do a soft return between the lines, which kind of, I guess you could say, keeps everything on one line instead of putting it on a separate line. And this is also very common when you're copying something from, let's say, another document like a PDF or a website, and the formatting is different. Alright, so there's a couple ways you could fix this here. Obviously, you could go through and press enter and kind of try and make everything on its own line, but that could be a pain. So two ways you could do it. So if you click here on the paragraph marker tool to show the paragraph markers, you can see we have our normal paragraph markers here, and then we have these carriage return markers, which indicates a soft return. So you could go through and delete these if you want to do it one at a time. But an easier way is to do a find and replace. So if we go up to edit here, we have find and we also have replace. So we'll do replace. All right, so in the find box here, we want to do caret, which is shift 6, and then a lowercase l, and then replace with caret lowercase p. And if we click on replace all, you can see it made 7 replacements. We'll close it here. Now if we go back to the paragraph marker, you can see we have regular paragraph markers here. And now if we select everything here, you can see it works the way it's intended. All right, so once again, just go to your problematic list here, go to the paragraph marker. Let me actually undo this here. And either delete these manually or do the find and replace method here. And do caret lowercase l, replace with caret lowercase p, replace all, and that's all you got to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.